This machine at first time you need to connect the water tube, the well power supply and the pedal. You need to prepare 4 to 5 liters water. We recommend the pure water, like distilled water. Now you push the emergency button and the start button to start the machine. You need to wait for a while because the machine is check all process. Now the soft checking is finished. You can press here to change the language. We have many different languages. Turkey is Spanish, and the Russian language English. You can press star to activate the laser. You need to wait for a while. Okay, now we can use this laser welding machine. The current and the pulse wise is used to adjust the power. Now we set 100 ampere and 1 ms. You can see the power. Now we set 200 and 4 ms. Now you can see the laser will be more powerful. It's more powerful than before. Okay. You can set the frequency to adjust the speed of laser. It means the times of laser in 1 second. If you set 1, you can see the laser is very slow. Okay. After we set 5 or 6, okay, now you can see the laser is very quick. You can see a cross in the binocular, and you can push pedal to let the laser come out. You can see the laser is on the position of the cross. This is the correct position. Okay. You may meet a problem. The laser support is not in the cross. So how do you do? We can adjust these 3 buttons. These 3 buttons to adjust the support of the laser. Let's try this. Let's try the first buttons. We can observe how the laser support move. Okay, we see from the binocular. It moves up, you can see. So, if I rotate the first button in this order, it will move upward. Okay. Now we move it back. Okay. Now we try second button. We rotate the second button in this order. We observe how the laser support move. You can see the laser move from left to right. I rotate this button. Then the laser support move from left to right. If we rotate it from the converse order, then it will move back. Let's see. Now we can see laser come back to the first position. Okay, we try the third button. We rotate the third button in this order. Okay, we observe how the laser support move. It move from up to down. Okay, we rotate this button in converse order, then it will move back. Okay. Okay, in this position. As we know, we can remove the second button to move the laser in x-axis. So we move it. We move to 3 bottom. Then we make the laser on the position of the cross. Okay, this is a tutorial about how to make the laser support position same as the position of cross. We push the pedal, the laser come out. You can see the position of laser support. The height of the laser support is same as the height of binocular. That means the focus of the binocular is same as the focus of laser. But you will meet a problem if the focus of binocular is different from the focus of laser support, like this situation. You can see the laser is very weak because the focus of the laser is different from the focus of binocular. We see from the this place. Can't see the laser red. But if we move this metal board to the up place, the laser will be strong. So we need to move the position of laser support downward to the position of the focus of binocular. We need to move the focus support of laser from here to here, right? Okay. We adjust circular. We press deduct. Okay. Now you can see the position of laser support move from this place to this place. Now you see from the binocular. The focus of laser support is same as the focus of binocular, and in this place, the laser is most strong. System will be shut down. Okay.